Welcome to Tableaunoir. Tableaunoir means blackboard in French and is an online collaborative blackboard or whiteboard. It is open source and is intended to be simple to use. Tableaunoir is available at the following address. With Tableaunoir you can teach from mathematical proofs to music. So-called magnets are the key feature to make your presentation, lecture or meeting more interactive. Be creative and use magnets for making any kind of animations, for explaining some mathematical constructions, for illustrating the execution of some algorithm. Boards can be shared. You may discuss together. Organize a project together. Draw together. Play together. Do not hesitate to visit the Tableaunoir webpage. And thank you for your attention.